and gentlemen, it is a safety requirement that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Personal electronic devices may now be switched on. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure that you have all your belongings with you. It has been a pleasure looking after you, and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you for flying Cathay Dragon, an affiliate member of the One World Alliance.
各位乘客，為安全起見，請留喺座位並保持安全帶扣上，直至扣上安全帶燈號熄滅為止。閣下而家可以使用個人電子用品。離開機艙嘅時候，請帶齊所有隨身行李。我哋好高興為閣下服務，希望好快可以再同各位喺環宇一家嘅聯屬成員國泰港龍航空上面見面。
各位旅客，为安全起见，请您留在座位上，并系好安全带，直到扣上安全带的指示灯熄灭为止。阁下现在可以使用个人电子用品。下机时，请带齐您所有的行李离开机舱。我们很高兴为阁下服务，希望很快可以再跟各位在环宇一家的联属成员国泰港龙航空上见面。
Ladies and gentlemen, the Chinese authorities requires foreigners who are between 14 to 70 years old to be fingerprinted and provide other biometric identification information upon arrival. Before you go through the entry frontier inspection, please get your finger printed by using the fingerprint collecting kiosk according to the signposts or guidance of staff. Foreigners shall not be allowed to enter the People's Republic of China if they refuse to provide their fingerprints according to the law of China. Foreigners who are holding diplomatic documents and transiting are exempt from the fingerprinting requirements. If you require further assistance, please contact a member of our ground staff on arrival. Thank you for your attention. 各位乘客，根據中國政府嘅相關規定，年齡介乎14至70歲嘅外國旅客入境中國時需留存指紋等生物識別信息。外國旅客喺落機後請按照指示前往就近嘅指紋自助採集區採集指紋，然後再前往邊檢現場辦理入境手續。如果閣下拒絕留存指紋，中國邊檢將依據中國法律規定不准閣下入境。持有具外交效力出入境證件同過境嘅外國旅客可以免留指紋。如有任何疑問，請於抵達後向地勤人員查詢。多謝各位留